Turkey's aerospace industry, TAI, designed the Hurkus aircraft to support a wide range of missions in Turkey's training programs. More than just training up pilots. The low-cost, high-precision Hurkus-C was developed to perform in light attack and armed reconnaissance missions. Hurkus-C has the benefit and also offering a low-cost, flexible solution against asymmetric threats which have become common on today's battlefields. In addition to the advanced capabilities of Hurkus, the Hurkus-C, thanks to its 7 external load stations, that gives a large payload capacity of up to 1,500 kilograms, that can be utilized to perform challenging missions at high altitudes and demanding geographies under day or night conditions. When it comes to its external load capacity, Hurkus-C will be using general-purpose bombs and Turkish-made ammunition developed by Turkey's state-backed defense giants like Roketsan, TUBITAK SAGE. The TAI Hurkus is a tandem 2-seat, low-wing, single-engine, turboprop aircraft being developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, as a new basic trainer and ground attack aircraft for the Turkish Armed Forces. The TAI Hurkus development program started with an agreement signed between Turkish Undersecretariat for Defense Industries and TAI in March 2006. Under the agreement, the company will design, manufacture and complete the civil certification of the aircraft to European Aviation Safety Agency CS23 standards. By June 2012, the Hurkus program had consumed 1 million man-hours with the work of 140 engineers. About a quarter of the Turkish engineers who have worked on Hurkus are female, as well as 2 of the 3 project heads. The Hurkus will be equipped for day and night flying, as well as basic pilot training, instrument flying, navigation training, weapons and formation training. The Hurkus has been designed for a 35-year service life. The general manager of Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, Temel Kotol, told CNN Turk that the plan, Turkey will soon start exporting its indigenous Hurkus-C armed close air support and training aircraft. But the buyer has not yet been revealed. 12 Hurkus-C will be sold in total. We cannot disclose the country because the contract has not been signed yet. But it will take place, he said.